Hey, I'm Melissa from Collaboard. Do boring meetings without results sound familiar to you? Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn your meetings, brainstorming sessions, and training sessions into real moments of success with Collaboard. Efficiently, creatively, and safely, whether online, hybrid, or on-site. Collaboard is an online whiteboard from Switzerland, with an intuitive user interface and maximum data protection. This means that your data is protected by us in compliance with GDPR. So you can focus on what really matters, productive and creative collaboration in your team. With Collaboard, you can work in real time with your entire team on a single board, whether with 5 or 500 people. Perfect for both small teams and large international projects. Let's take a look at 2 practical examples. Here you can see how a mind map on the topic of innovation culture is created. Documents are also placed directly on the board and linked to the mind map. Here, for example, is the communication strategy as a PDF document. The team has also added images, videos, and audio, so you can work with multimedia. This simply makes projects and meetings much more informative and exciting. Here you can see how tables in Collaboard help you to define responsibilities, deadlines, and goals in a simple and visually appealing way. This way you can pick up where you left off at the meeting or proceed your work independently. But how do teams come up with convincing content and creative mind maps? My personal tip: icebreaker exercises. Each user writes 2 truths and 1 lie about themselves on the cards. Everyone then votes on which of the statements is a lie. Let's see. Everyone thinks that Alice has never won a pie eating contest. But that's actually true. There is the right icebreaker for every situation, and all of them can be created on Collaboard. This will make your meetings more efficient and valuable, because everyone feels involved and gets into the thinking process right from the start. Try Collaboard Advanced now for 14 days free of charge. We would also be happy to show you Collaboard in a live demo, or you can use the free version and explore everything on your own. We look forward to welcoming you to Collaboard soon. Happy Collaboarding!